Hey everybody. So for this week, you are going to complete a creative essay. This essay is titled Creating Your Own Society. So if you were a student that dominated your early spring break packet, this might be a little bit familiar for you, and you can actually use some of that work that you've already done and get grades and credit for it. So the writing prompt is that you've been named the ruler of your own society. You get to decide all of the rules, and you're going to write an essay that describes what your society will look like, what it will take to become a citizen of your society, and what important laws will be put in place. So your essay needs to be at least 3 paragraphs long. Each paragraph should be 4 to 6 sentences and include specific details. And you need to use correct capitalization, grammar, and of course, indent. If your essay is 3 paragraphs, you know that you need to indent 3 separate times. If your essay is 4 paragraphs, you know you need to indent 4 times, etc. In paragraph 1, you will describe your society in as much detail as possible. You'll start by saying what is the name of your society, where is it located, and what the weather or climate is like. You'll then explain what the people are like who live in your society, and what do the people in your society like to do. In paragraph 2, you'll describe the government system of your society. So you'll talk about, is it a monarch or an oligarchy or a tyranny or a democracy? You can use the different images as well as the small captions to help you remember. But remember, if it's a king or a queen, that would be a monarchy. If it's one military ruler, that would be a tyranny. Democracy is what we have in America today, where the people have the power. That could be through direct democracy, voting on specific things, or an indirect democracy, voting on representatives to make decisions on those things. So you'll describe your government in as much detail as possible. Lastly, paragraph 3, you will describe the laws and legal system in your society. So you'll say, if somebody steals, what happens to that person? If somebody murders somebody, what happens to that person? If somebody trespasses and goes on someone else's land, what happens to that person? So that's what you'll be doing in paragraph 3, describing the types of laws and what will happen to students or people of any kind if they break these laws in society. You'll notice that your essay, because it's a 7th grade ready essay, will be completed on the Google Doc. You'll write your essay in this space below. So remember, you can use actually the different functions. So you'll want to set the font, you'll want to set the size, you'll want to make sure it's not bolded or italicized. And if you need to move it over, you can do so. But it's super important that your essay looks 7th grade ready, so that I am able to share with your 7th grade teachers how incredible all of you are as writers. Please answer the questions below on this Google form, and then you guys are welcome to get started on this essay early. It has been open since Monday, so you are welcome to do so. If you check out the Google form for Thursday, you'll also see some exemplar and non-exemplar work that you'll kind of pick apart a bit before you go into writing your essay. All right, talk to you guys soon.